I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 12 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something found in a treasure chest. And I've got this little treasure chest that's got the jewels. Graph paper. I've got some coffee dyed graph paper. Hand tool. These little fellas have pickaxes. A piece of scrap art. I've got some jelly print. And something you see through the window, and I've got these little scenes from a children's book. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. And the bonus is a key, and I've got this little charm. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP12. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And I hope y'all are having a great and wonderful day. Without further ado, let's get started. here's my finished project. I hope you like it. We've got something found in a treasure chest, and I've got all these jewels and such. Graph paper is behind the treasure chest, but you can still see a little bit of it. A hand tool, they've got pickaxes. A piece of scrap art, I've got my jelly prints. Something you see through a window, and I've got this scenery. And bonus is a key, and I've got my little key dangle. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week, and I really appreciate you all. So until next time, bye y'all.